So the first thing we got to do is take these caps off right here. And as you can see, the liner is just gone. Look at this stuff. Just pulling it, there's just nothing left of it. Just tears easy. So you gotta take these screws out and take these off, and then I'll show you something else underneath there. Then around the skimmer and stuff and the water inlet. Shouldn't take long though. Looks pretty good. See, they're either Phillips head, or you can use this 5/16, which that's what I'm going to use to keep from stripping them out. 5/16. We're going to take these screws loose and take these off. Once you get the screws out, pick this right off of here, and then you got those. And this piece here holds the liner in. Before you put the pool liner back in now, you gotta make sure that it's smooth on the bottom, and that there's no roots or anything sticking up or rocks. And just go around and make sure it's nice and level. Just like this. Next thing we gotta do is take this top rail off. And there's a plastic one underneath it. Got to come off. Show you that in a few minutes. So next we got to take these pieces off here because they're holding down these pieces. But they have 3 screws. 1, 2, 3 that you have to take out before you can take these off, before you can take this out, before you can put the liner in. So that's what we're going to do next. All the way around this pool. And you got the supervisor over there taking apart the skimmer because he knows how it comes off and goes back on. So we'll let him do the technical work. Well, now the way this thing goes, you got this plastic piece here. And when you put the new liner in, it has to go over the liner and over the sidewalls, hold the liner in place. And then you put the metal pieces. You got to slide the metal pieces in here, and it goes back on the top of the wall like that to hold the liner in place. And as we work the pool liner around, got to put it on here. We put the plastic pieces on, and then we put another piece of this metal on. Let me back it up some. We put these metal pieces on to keep the pool round so the sides don't fall in. So we're just going to keep working around, putting the plastic pieces on, putting one of these pieces on till we get the liner all in. Now we've got the liner all the way in and around. You got to make sure that you got all the wrinkles out. Smooth that bad boy out. Just broom it out. Smooth that bottom out. I got all them wrinkles out before you start putting water in, because if you got wrinkles before you put water in, you'll have wrinkles after the water's in. So we're going to work on that for a while before we finish putting the top rail on and starting to put water in it. Oh yeah, you need a nice workbench while you're working too, so you have a place to put all your pieces and parts and tools and, you know, all your stuff you're going to need, and your drinks and all that. You got to have a nice work table. 1968 Chevy truck, that's my work table. The deal is we're going to cover up that hole there and use the vacuum cleaner on that hole to suck the air out of it. You see, we covered this hole up. Now we're going to put the vacuum cleaner in this hole. Suck all them wrinkles out of there. I hope. it's gonna suck all them wrinkles right out of there, man. It might take it a few minutes. Let it get them out. Guarantee. Now you don't want to get in a hurry doing this part, sucking the air out and getting the wrinkles out. You want to go around, get as much out as you can. This is the important part here. It's looking pretty good now. Gotta keep going around in a circle, brooming them wrinkles out. Nice and smooth, man. Nice and smooth. Yeah, I know the vacuum cleaner's still going, but we're putting these top rail pieces back on. Got the plastic on. Now I'm putting these metal pieces back on. You just slip it inside the other one. And I got a rubber hammer and I tap on the window. And let's go together and then we'll put it back down on the toolbox. And then on the end over there, where the end's at, I leave that end sticking up so I can get the next piece slid inside of that piece. So I'm just going to continue that all the way around. Then we'll start putting the caps on top of the post. Okay, we got all the top rail on, the plastic underneath there that holds the liner. We got that on. Now we're going to start putting these back on, and you just lift them like that. Put them back on there like that. And they have 3 screws in here that hold them. Now we put these back on, and all we do is lay them up here and put the 2 screws on. That's all there is to that. 2 screws in each end. And then next, we're just going to go around and put the caps back on. Caps back on. Outside goes on first. Line up the way you want it, nice and pretty. Snaps right in, just like that. So now just got to go around and put all those on. Alright, now we'll go over here and see. Oh, hold on a minute and I'll hold it for you. And so you put the frame around it, tighten it all up, and then you cut the hole out. Now after you get it all put in and the gasket in and everything, you cut the liner out. Just like that. Now the pool liner's in, you got your water, you got your skimmer, and that's how you put a pool liner in.
You can see it's about to get full of water here. It's been running probably off and on for about 12 or 14 hours. So don't have much longer to go now. You can see it's just about there now. Walk around here and show you this other stuff real quick. Okay, right now I've got this valve right here. I don't know if you can see or not, the sun's shining on this thing so hard I can't hardly tell where it's pointed. This thing right here is open right now, and we'll leave it open until both these start filling up with water so the air can escape out of there, and then we'll shut it down like that. But for the time being, we'll leave it open so the air can get out. And I did put a new filter in, a new paper filter. So we're getting there now.
Flip it around so you can see it from the other side.
That's good. Hello. Recently we had our pool liner, the dry rod, on us after 3 years, so we put another one in. So this was just a little thing on a video on how we put one in. So see how you like the way we did it. So we replaced this pool liner. There ain't much to it. Just have to get out and do it. Get you a buddy if you can to do it with. It's a lot better that way because it takes more than one person. So that's the way we do it around the house. Hope you do it around your house that way sometimes. So hope you enjoyed my little video and give me a thumbs up and join my channel if you can. So come back and see me real soon. I'll have another video for you. Thanks for watching again. Goodbye.